Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to make beautiful designs using threads here. So take some nylon thread. Here we are going to use two different color of thread, red and yellow. Now tie knot alternately like this. After this we are going to combine both of them together. So make two knot using the red one. Similar way we are going to do the same using the yellow thread as well, and you will get this beautiful design at the end. So repeat the process over and over again and you will get this beautiful design at the end. You can make so many different products using this. Here we are going to learn how you can put these beautiful pearls using this nylon thread. You can make beautiful bracelets using this. So let's get started. First, tie knot at the top section. Now put these beautiful beads. Now we are going to take one end of the thread and we are going to put both of them in a crisscross manner. So repeat the process from other end as well, like we are doing here. Now we are going to tie both of them together at the end. So tie a knot like this and look, it's done. You can repeat the same process with different beads and make beautiful patterns out of it. Now at the end you can cut the thread and look, it's done. We are going to use red and green thread, so take both of them together and tie a knot first. Now we are going to take the ends of red and green thread at one side and tie knot over and over again. Remember, we have to keep the red thread outside for the flower, so repeat the same process from other side as well. Now we are going to use both of them together, the ends of all the four threads, and combine them like this, and look, it's done. We're going to use three different color of thread, white, yellow and blue. So we are going to tie knot with the blue and yellow one. Tie the white one at the center. Now we are going to repeat the same process. We are going to take both the ends of the thread in a zigzag manner and we are going to overlap them one over another. Don't tie knot like we are doing here, and take the ends of both the thread one after another and you will get this beautiful crisscross pattern at the end, and look, it's done. We're going to make two loops using white and blue thread and we are going to tie it at this purple. Now we are going to take the white end of the thread. Now make a loop and tie knot over and over again and repeat the same process with the blue thread like this. You will get this pattern at the end. You can make bracelets for friendship day and so many other ways as well. Repeat the same process and you will get this beautiful pattern at the end. Look how we are doing it in an alternate manner and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please